In this video, we will cover how to retrieve your State Fire Training ID. If you do not remember your login information, but know that you have an email address on file with State Fire Training, on the State Fire Training portal homepage, navigate to the right-hand column and select Retrieve Your Existing SFT ID. Once this screen loads, input your last name and your email address on file, and then click Send. Please note that if your last name has any apostrophes or spaces or hyphens, you may need to try a few variations in case it is slightly different on record with State Fire Training. Once you hit send, you will receive a confirmation that an email was sent. In most cases, the email will be sent within minutes, but it may take up to 30 to 60 minutes to be sent depending on your email service provider, so please allow for time if you do not initially receive the email, and also check your junk and spam folders within your email to make sure that it was not caught by those filters. Once it is successfully sent, you should see an email similar to the one on screen here. In the center of the body of the email, it'll include your last name, your email address, your State Fire Training ID number, and the date that you requested it. If you remember your login password, but just don't remember your State Fire Training ID number, you can simply sign in to your user portal. Once signed in, your SFT ID will be displayed at the top left of your My Profile page. This concludes the video on how to obtain your SFT ID.